Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some, well actually I just didn't feel like really doing a meal today, so I wanted to get on and share my tuna salad with y'all. We're going to have up some sandwiches and some chips, just something simple, quick. I know a lot of you can relate to that, but let's go ahead and get started. It's simple, it's quick. It's a good salad. I mean, if you know you're going to have tuna salad sandwiches for dinner, lunch, whatever, it's always best to make it a few hours, prior to eating it because it's just, you have your onions and celery and everything in there that, you know, flavors that tuna as it sits. So by all means, make it in advance or even the night before. It's even better, because you can get all those flavors to come out in your onions and celery and stuff. So uh, I had on hand, so I'm going to do 2 cans of tuna in water, 2 5-ounce cans, and drain it really well. Drain them really well because, you know, it, I like my tuna in water. It just makes a better salad. For me, it does. Oil, it just makes more of a, for me, I see it makes more of a sloppy tuna mess. That's my opinion, my preference. But if you like it with the oil, I mean, when I was younger, that's all I would eat was, tuna with the oil. But as I got older, I noticed with the water, and I always just open, get back over here. I always just open it up, and I'm sure a lot of us do it that way with a can like that, and just press, and push it in, get all of that water out. Because the more water you get out, the better your tuna is going to be, and the more your mayonnaise can, absorb into that tuna, giving it more flavor. So I would highly recommend that. But if you like it with the vegetable oil, I would really drain that oil off of it so you don't end up with a, more of a sloppy tuna. Okay, but a lot of people like it like that. I did. I ate it like that at once, but like I said, I learned from the tuna in water. It is better. For me, it is now. But anyway, I have 2 5-ounce cans of that in water, well drained. Okay, and then I just flaked it up, separated it all. Flake your tuna all up, and use whatever kind of tuna you want. I just have regular chunk light tuna in water. And to this, I'm going to add in 1 small stalk of celery, finely chopped. Get all of that in there. It's like noon right now, so that way at supper time, this we'll have set for several hours already, so it'll be good to go with some flavor. I wish I would have thought about it last night, but I wanted to get on and share this with y'all. And 3 tablespoons of finely chopped purple onion. Sometimes I'll use green if I have them on hand, even regular onions, whatever you have. And to this, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed, 1/8 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 a teaspoon of black pepper. Now you can also add, I don't know if any of y'all like eggs in your tuna salad. You can add a couple of chopped boiled eggs in here if you would like. Myself, I'm more of just a plain tuna person, but I know a lot of people like their tuna fish with eggs. Okay, just get that all mixed up. All right. Smells good already. And I know a lot of people don't like the dill weed. Leave it out if you don't like it. And I have a half a cup plus 1 big tablespoon of mayo in here, and I have 2 teaspoons of sweet pickle relish. And I have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. If you feel you like more mayonnaise, add more. This is just what I normally will use. And I'm just going to get this stirred up and let it set, hang out in the fridge. Sometimes too I'll put a little bit of mustard in here. And this is like a, you know, it's not sloppy, it stays nice and fluffy. But do remember, y'all, you may need more mayonnaise, you know, because the bread soaks a lot of that mayonnaise up and you're left with a lot of dry tuna. So like here, I'm seeing, it could probably use another tablespoon of mayonnaise. So I'm going to go with 1/2 cup and 2 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. So I'll get me another tablespoon, add it in there, and get some sandwiches made up after a while. Alrighty guys, there it is. We're fixing to eat some dinner, and if you hear anything in the back, my son's back there gaming. I apologize for that, but I got, I believe, 6 sandwiches, but I didn't make 6. I still have some leftover tuna, but pretty good size. And these I wanted to bring up too, they make some good tuna melts. Get you some good rye bread or some sourdough and grill it like you would a grilled cheese. Slap that tuna on there with a piece of cheese and some maters and have yourself a good tuna melt. But today we're having good old tuna sandwiches, and I wanted to get on and share it. And just as your tuna sets, if it needs more mayonnaise, just add a little bit more mayonnaise and enjoy yourself a sandwich like we're fixing to do. So until next time, you guys, make you up some. Let me know what you think. Take care of yourself. Stay safe out there. And please get me out there, guys. Share, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye. Enjoy the Sammies.